And we can see that they live their lives in the fast lane. In flight, they are just a blur. It's only when you slow down their supercharged lives that you can begin to understand how they live. High-speed cameras reduce the speed of the action. 1 second stretches out to 50 and enables us to look into the secret world of the hummingbird. Much of their lives still remains a mystery. What we do know is that hummingbirds depend on flowers for their food. Nectar fuels their frenetic lives. And that hummingbirds are only found in the New World. Most live in South America, and this is where our story starts. Here, many plants employ hummingbirds as messengers. But this wasn't the original contract. When flowers first evolved over 60 million years ago, there were no hummingbirds. The first flowering plants depended on insects as their pollinators. Today, many plants still do. As butterflies move from flower to flower, sipping nectar, they take pollen from one plant to another. The plants are fertilized, the insects are fed. This was the original arrangement. The plant and insect relationship has been a long and successful one. But at a certain point, some plants dropped their insect messengers. The reason can be found in the forested mountains of South America. Here, the mornings are cold and damp. Butterflies can't fly in these conditions. Insects are cold-blooded. Their bodies are the same temperature as their surroundings, so they are lethargic in the cool of the morning. In the mountains, insects are unreliable messengers. There was a need for a safer pair of wings.